just wow. Okay, but I'm here. We are ready to rumble. What did I miss from this morning? Not much. Huh, I see that would have worked. This would have just worked out again. Very, very nice. So shorts were in play up until a point. And now going back into the new daily opening gap, still have not touched Asia high. So this has been kind of rangy. So am I upset about missing a trade? Not particularly, actually, which is kind of weird, but it's fine. On to the next. Let's do this thing, chicken wing. FaceTime here on time for a change. Maddie, what's up? How you feeling? Have you had some nami stuff? Okay, at least I see. Yeah, didn't really miss out on too much. Hey, missed around there. That one looked good, but you know I didn't take it. But that's fine. Let's see. For me, this is London low. And London Hoi. Okay. A little bit low down, but that's fine. Done, 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 done. Over the respectfully, obviously, like over the limit, but having fun. I think that's what's important. Oh, let's see, Muddy. At this point, I don't care. It's been a day. It's been a week. Actually, it's not even that it's been a day. It's just been a week. Actually, I have to take this off. Tomorrow should theoretically, so I'm not going to do that live. Whilst it's a little nasty. I don't think people want to see me peel this off. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Okay. Done. In the morning, stop loss, no problem. Now catch a nice short. Oh, okay, dump. See, that's the spirit. I respect that a lot. I respect that a lot. Nice. Let's do this. My freaking arm is still swollen. I didn't really think it was swollen. And then I see it in the live and I'm like, oh, it is. Oh well, it's fine. We have time, marked out everything, so everything is technically ready to go. Tapped into the new daily opening gap. Dom, why are you so keen on shorts? Out of curiosity, why are you so keen on shorts? That being said, the midnight open is here. Has not really tapped back into it. Back down to Asia low. Let's see, it's even like I said today when I journaled in Discord, but still, did journal and I did say, you know what? It's nice to know that for the past 2 days, every single trade that I have said, I really like this trade, has been a winning trade. I haven't taken them because one was a B setup. The other was in the chop, needed some confirmation. And this last one, theoretically again in the chop, I should have technically taken that one. That is the only one that I will say I should have taken. The others, meh. That's okay. Hey, go have fun. What's up? Muddy, what do you mean? Are you going? Are you leaving? What do you mean good night with a... Are you leaving? What's happening? What's happening? So your entry is a little under VWAP for a short? Do you not what? Do you not expect it to maybe jump back up? TP bump level. So you expect that if it goes below VWAP, it's gonna basically take out Asia low. Is that what you're thinking, Dom? Waiting on the New York opener. Oh, okay. I mean, I guess, Muddy, you know what that's fair. That is fair. And you know what is also valid is that we have to do this.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I mean, theoretically, is it after 12? If it is after 12, then it is technically the morning. I'm just saying. Technically, it is the morning. Guys, I was having like a panic because I didn't know where Bob went. Absolute chaos. There's absolute chaos on Discord right now. Speaking of, if anyone does want to join Discord, y'all are more than welcome to. Anyone that's new, what's up? We have marked out everything. Let's quickly, we have 9 minutes. Let's do a top to bottom analysis quick stick. So let's start with daily again. Let's do this. Not like much that really happened since this morning, but still. So we did break these highs. Ooh, okay, yeah. I see. For it to come and retest back into this fair value gap wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Did break these highs. But again, it has not closed above, so we can't exactly call this a change of character just yet, but we did create another high and low. Okay, I mean, it's just rangy, in all honesty. Call it what you will, it's rangy. Go find, did Bob leave? No, Bob didn't leave. Bob didn't leave. He just, he's been MIA for the past few days, and I was like, where did he go? It still has not broken 520. It has, however, created basically equal lows, 264. Okay, great. Let's see, was that just a rejection after taking these? Possible. Possible. Let's see if it continues back to now the 1 hour. Okay, Dom, I concede. Price action on the 1 hour appears that the shorts are wanting to start taking control. Interesting. Okay, 1 hour, let's check 15. Sorry if I'm not as super chatty today, I apologize, guys. It's been a day. Literally. Don't know how else to explain it. Tap key to the new daily. Whoop, here we go. The fact that it's happening already isn't ideal. Let's keep an eye out here. What happens next? Okay, 5 minutes. Definite support zone. So definite support zone going on over here. Let's see if we continue back. Heavy rejection off of that volume imbalance. Okay. And 1 minute. Let's do this thing. I feel like I missed something. What? Yeah, I go short. Awesome. True. Actually, morning fig. You're just living in the past. That's happy Friday for you already, Muddy. Nice. The Powerball numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Powerball 31. That's wild. Just waiting when Mark comes to me. You think the chart wiggles are planning? Am I doing Bitcoin today? James, you crazy. No. Rashan, what's up? How you doing? Attention will probably be a very quick TP. but I'm only in a swing. Noise. Why are you always swinging, Maddie? Anyways, Remy, what's up? I am back because I won my trade. Damn, where'd you go? You're a flipping awesome week. Well done. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Platinum player, it's trading during the week and workout videos on the weekend. Sharpen the mind, sharpen the body. I like it. Platinum player, South Africa got some highs. Oh, you're funny. Prices below the 50% fib on the day's range from the open price above the gap. Highs to lows. Hey, gentleman's relish. Okay, so what's that telling you? Boy's back because he won the trade and cry in the corner. Nice, nice. You know what? If we're not crying in the corner, we're winning. I cannot promise I won't go and cry in the corner. Oh, if I hop on tomorrow and I have puffy eyes, you know why. 5 minutes left. Every trade is 50-50. No. Say if every trade is 50. I don't like 50-50 because that makes it sound like a gamble. Oh, thanks for chatting. You're so sweet. What up, OTT? How you doing? Chin up. Good grief, Muddy. Are you good? Sure. Okay. Muddy's English is Englishing today. I know who the heck am I to talk, but still. Okay. 3 minutes to go, people. Good grief. Holy what? It's not even open yet. Dom, are you in this now? OTT, oh, no negativity today. Okay, OTT, it was good. I didn't take any trades, but it was good in the sense of it did help build my confidence a little bit. My confidence has taken a little bit of a knock. But what I did like is that it built my confidence. Both of the trades that I saw and I said, I really like this, worked out really, really nicely. I didn't take them though, so that is on me, but I see it a little bit like paper trading to build the confidence again. I know, but yeah. I think Drunk alone. My other god, what's up, Tyler? How you doing? 1 minute from entry, almost in. Looks like profit taking before market open. Yep. A little bit, hey. Lulu, how are you doing? Exactly, OTT. I didn't let FOMO win. I was waiting for confirmations, especially during a choppy market. We know that my setup is not ideal during chop fest, so yeah, exactly. OTT, how you doing? Lulu, what's hot? The weather, cause yes. It's hectic. I actually need to go grab some water. I literally, guys, when I say I sprinted through the door, I sprinted through the door because people in this area apparently drive like grandmas. Wow. So slow. You know when you kind of want to rip your hair out because you're like these, oh my gosh. That's what I was doing. Doing good. Currently not even at home. Been so busy today. What you been doing, OTT? Damn. I can't believe you actually have a life and you do things. What was that like? That's wild. Can't relate. You got that road rage. Hi. Yes, I'm trading prop firm, but I am on my funded account. But it is prop firm. Damn. Okie dokie. Here's open. Dom? I'm assuming you are solid. Okay, I'm jumping the gun a little bit. Wait for it to close, Maya. Damn. London low taken. Let's see. Down to midnight. That goes in the unhinged pickup lines. I'm just saying. Sean, that's definitely going in the unhinged pickup lines. I'm just saying. That is amazing. Where's my notes? Damn, Dom, what the heck, man? Whoop whoop off the freaking bat. That is amazing. Do you touch grass occasionally? Really? What's that like? No, I'm kidding. You guys know I touch grass. What do you think I do during the middle of the day? The thing that low-key stresses me out as well. It's weird. It's a bit of a problem. I love it, but sure. Okay. 9:30 range is interesting. Let's go with interesting. Went took out London low. Ooh, going back up. Dom, did you get whoop whoop or not? Oh, you did. Whoop whoop, amazing. Damn, Dom. So now you're done for the day within literally a minute. Whoop whoop for Dom. Shout out. Well done. We were talking earlier about your different syndromes. Here's your. What kind of grass are you talking about? Glulu? No, like not that type of grass. If that's what you're asking. No, I actually don't do that. Like I go to the horses. It's basically just a terminology. Oh, actually, is that what it means? That can't be what it means. It doesn't mean that. It means go take a break, go outside, take a break from the charts, go sit with nature. That's what I've always understood. Is that what it means? I'd like to see a sweep of Asia low before I take anything today. OTT, can you even take anything today? I thought you weren't home. Scary. Ooh, it's rejecting off of VWAP on ES. Real nice. Oh, it just took out all of the sell side liquidity on ES. It hasn't quite dipped as far down as it has on NQ though. Let's keep watching. No, it's what you think. Okay, cool. Yeah, Maddie, I was about to be like, oh my gosh, I've been saying this for so long and that's not what I meant. That was not the intention behind it. Whoopsies. Anyways. Ooh, did you get like a wimpy lunch or wimpy breakfast? See, now I'm in the mood for wimpy. You know what the problem is, guys? I haven't eaten today. Oh no, maybe you guys are dealing with hangry, Maya. Oh, you know what that means. Hangry Maya, the problem. You know what? I'm not even gonna lie. Sitting at Wimpy, trading, chilling, maybe having a nummy milkshake sounds like such a nice plan. Do you do that often, OTT? Hey, check, what's up? I'll keep it on up the win rate for 7 days. Wow. Cheers, Dom. You done? Wow. Nice. Nicely done. Very, very nice. Color me impressed. I'm still stuffed from dinner, to be honest. Oh. Guys, I'm so hungry. Well, I don't even know what I am today. I'm just here. I'm just the little Maya problem. Little drag through the pain. What an old person thing to say there, Muddy. Oh, flip. I know I sound a bit like Solly there, and I sound like I'm being mean, but that's 100%. Now I understand why Solly makes fun of me, because that is exactly what I would say. Yeah. Okay, we still do not have a first presented. Bit of a volume imbalance there though, but not a first presented. What is on my desk? Why is it wet? It's not me. Anyways, moving on. My message is still undelivered. Feeling blue for my phones. Oh gosh.
Emotional damage.
Oh, you guys are so funny. I'm good trying to figure out the short level. Let's see. There's previous day low. Do you think it could be headed for that? Surprised it didn't kind of just take out Asia low and now head back up to Asia high. Sorry, I just noticed now how it respected this first presented again earlier. Damn. Pretty solidly. Anyways. Let's see. This is previous day 5 minute, previous day 9:30. These aren't as important anymore, so that's fine. Get rid of those. I guess that was opening level though, yeah. There's New York open, I guess. New weekly opening gap. That's not today's midnight, that was other yesterday. Okay. Go back in. Let's see, are we gonna have our first presented over here? Beep, 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 pew. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. This could be it. Check, you think this is gonna go much low? Much lower? English. Her birthday kind of marriage. Nvidia is dropping and should drop with 3%. Hey, brightest future, what's up? No way Enki will go up without Nvidia supporting it. What? It's already taken Asia low, Muddy. That's why... Yeah. That's why I thought maybe this might start going back up. Whoop. There we go. Speaking of, here's first presented BT dubs. Geordie, are you here? Oh, I lied. That's not first presented. Huh. Geordie! Geordie! I don't think Geordie's here. I think Geordie hates me. I don't know what I did. Hey, wait, what's up? How you doing? What was it? Boop, 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 boop. Let's see. Yeah, Asia low was here at... No, that's not right. Must have been there. At 265. No, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, 265. Let's say 265 was where Asia low was. Guys, we still don't have a first presented. That's wild. Interesting. I don't care about Asia low. Everything is bearish today. Let's see, check. Yeah, it's just manipulation. Be patient, by opportunity will come. This is interesting. This is interesting. Okay, let's do a poll. I'm curious now. Let's do a poll. Let's see. Bear or bull? Rar or moo? You don't understand. Yep. Oh, it's a 50-50. Wow, off the bat, 50-50. Interesting. VIX going up, Nasdaq down. Be the stock to watch. Maya laughing in my heart like it was a comedy show. I smiled back and said, glad I didn't put on good. But share, Deb. I'm sorry. Now you're making me feel really bad. Sorry. Now I feel really bad. We have next zone Bob level under. I don't know. It didn't break the Bob level how you would want to see it, but maybe. Let's see. It tapped back into the 9:30 open. Okay, my little freeloader's sighing like his life is oh so difficult. Hey Lucky, how you doing? How's it been going? How's the trading been? I'm not even gonna lie, it's been a little bit rough for me. It has, but it's okay. How's the trading been for you, Lucky? Has it been improving a little bit, or meh? You've been on my mind, so I hope you're good. Oh. It still has not taken out Asia low on ES. Okay, I'll mark. There's Asia low on ES. Taking a bunch of sell side liquidity, but still no Asia low. Intraday 6 or plus 6%. On where? Because if you're asking about NQ, I told you earlier, Muddy, you need to pay attention. And as I question the financial benefit of AI, this can spell trouble. Well, I haven't taken any trades, I've just been watching. Oh, nice, Lucky. I mean, to be fair, I didn't take any trades this morning. Just built a little bit of confidence again, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. I think some people would argue me like, nah, maybe, but to just sit back and watch and get some confidence again it's good, actually. Instead of just trying to jump in and revenge trade, I actually prefer it. Oh, on ES. ES, it's 9 for 1.25. That's Asia low. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Is it? Is it? It is. I didn't see it because it was so small. But there's the first presented fair value gap. Huh. Okay. Oh, it's so itty bitty. It's itty bitty. It's itty bitty baby. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Well, there's the first presented. Respected it, but clearly sellers are in control. Nice. Okay. Sellers are in control. It's not... Is there news today? No. News tomorrow. News today. Tomorrow. I got you, Muddy. Don't worry. Where's Waldo? That's a good idea. Yeah, paper trading is always a good idea if you're not feeling 100%. You know, speaking of. So I'm shaking my head because it started with all of this and now... Oh, okay. Asia low was taken on ES now. Let's see if we now start to get a jump. Oh, it's not respecting this first presented at all. We're kind of stuck on this bob level a little bit. There, a little bit of a rejection. Just took out Asia low on ES. Let's see if it starts to push back up now. Oh my gosh. This is literally like watching a fight happen in real life. In real time. This kind of looks like it's bear flagging. Just me? Here's a 15. Okay, let's see if we manage to... Ah! This would have worked! Ha! Interesting. Oh well. It was not an A+ setup. Regardless. Use this tomorrow. Am I in a trade already? No, I'm not in a trade. Short under the zone. Yep, took your advice and that's what I'm going to do. ShamWow. Psychology, nature, universe. What's up? Sorry, I didn't see your hello there. How you doing? Hey, most of them just lost 2 trades. Oh no, what happened? Are you okay? What happened? I'll not call that a bear flag. A bear flag points up. Do you know what I would call this? Do you know what I would happily call this? Yucky. That's what it is. It's yucky. Seriously. Looked like it wanted to break out here. Break out of the 15-minute. Let's respect the 9:30. I guess that is showing that bears are in control. Nice, Muddy. See? Even Muddy's learning the weird and wonderful quotes that we say here. Day trader, not every day trader. Sit on your hands, Maya. Sit on your hands. Waiting for a proper break. Still nothing. Maybe? Expecting the first presented a little bit more now. It can't get through 275. There's a cluster of cells. Oh, interesting. Okay. Make sure I want to pop up. So Dom, there we go. It's broken out of the 15 minutes. So continuation down does look like it's in play. And Sham is saying, don't take a short. Just, wow. There's literally a 50-50 divide. Literally a 50-50 divide about if this is bull or bear. Just in case anyone was wondering, there's an actual 50-50 divide right now. Which I think is wild. Still not breaking out how you would want to see it move. I was buying gold and bull reverse. The trade is going well. My Nasdaq shows some new breakout. Hit my stop loss probably in news or something. No, I'm so sorry. Gosh, your smiling looks like I would. Hey, Aaron, no ways. How you doing? How goes it? How goes it?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, so Maddie, you're bullish. You just think it'll sweep through some stop loss. Let's try that again. You just think it'll sweep through some stop losses. Cool. Just just cool. OTT, you're bullish as well. Hey, Aaron, you're fine. I'm so glad. How's the trading been going? That was a good reaction off of the bob level. This might be going bob to bob. Let's see if I'm correct. When there's normally this intense reaction off of this level, it tends to move down quickly. Let's see. That being said, just to give you an idea, if I had done this, would have hit my stop loss. This is the problem with chop. Don't diddle in the middle, people. Don't diddle in the middle. Good rejection off of there. Nope, still stuck. Well, while we're waiting for it to do whatever the heck it's doing, here we go. Give me a second. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. To be fair, I probably have my stop loss lower than most. Makes a difference. I know, Muddy. That's part of trading journey, winning and losing. I took a short from liquidity. Give me 2 seconds, guys, just with regards to the friend that I was helping earlier. Sorry, that friend I went to help earlier, she's in hospital now. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on. But it's okay. They told me not to come, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I might just have to go and visit her a little bit later. Sure. I told you guys, today is just absolute chaos. Speaking of, let's see here. Fair value gap, order block, shelf, 15-minute. If I didn't take all of this damn liquidity, I would be keen. First have to touch bob level under. No, first more. Yeah, Maddie, it's bad. I don't understand what's going on. Sorry, I see there's a... Give me 2 seconds, she sent a voice note. I don't think she wants to be exposed on live. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. Like I said, I wasn't too keen, especially because of the fact that it had just taken out a bunch of sell side liquidity. Not respecting the order block, did not respect this fair value gap, didn't respect that shelf. Okay, but either way, it would have been Stop loss. That's not great. This is not promising as of yet. Not promising so far. I'm permeable. Hey Juan, what's up? How you doing? You should look into order flow, gives a lot of clarity in my opinion. Yeah, Maddie, I'm good. Shan't we'll keep winning, just stay humble. The market humbling lots of legends. The market's making me sad. I don't even think humbling is the correct word anymore. It's just going, ha! And that's it. Not kidding, it's not being that bad. Forcing you to take a bit of a step back is also okay. Interesting, actually, the bears seem to be winning. I'm keeping the poll up for now, just because I'm still kind of curious. Let's see how many we get. Shum, okay, I've listed. What does it tell you? John, what's up? How you doing, John? How's it been going? How's the trading been? How's everyone been? Yeah. That he's a newbie. But okay, just been sitting long. I hear that. Check a little busy now. That's okay. Oh, that would have been so mean. This is the problem with Chop. Do you see how it would have wicked me out? Before continuation, well, let's see about the continuation back down. But with regards to 15-minute, like if we're trading orb and stuff. See, this is why I've been kind of for testing orb. I don't know how I feel about it. Because what orb is saying right now is that this is confirmation. The fact that it broke below the 15-minute, retested it slightly. I don't know if it needed more of a retest though. Ooh, a very nice rejection off of the bob level there. Huh. Very nice rejection off of that. Like I said, this would have been so mean. It would have taken me out literally by a tick and then gone for TP. Rough. Where's the next level if it continues? Probably this New York low here. What's that, 156 level? I don't know. It's not just, but inside jokes, not just someone who's just told you that they got stopped. This trade was 1 out of 1, not bad. Okay, done. Amazing things. February isn't the best month so far. A lot of roller coasters. Amazing things? 100% agreed. 100% agreed. It's not been the easiest month for a lot of people. Hey, I've spoken to a lot of people and a lot of people are like, Feb has been really rough. A lot of people's confidence has been taking, a little bit of a knock. And like people that have been trading for years are saying their confidence is a little bit. So it makes me feel a little bit better. It does. That sounds bad. Okay. Hear me out. So especially for Muslim, right? Hear me out. Does it not make you feel better to know that it's not just you that's maybe just having a bit of a bad month? It makes me feel a little bit better because then I go, okay, I'm not alone in this. And I know I've said this before, but for anyone new, that is the whole point, or what I want this channel to be. I want this channel to be a safe space where you do not feel alone, because damn, sometimes these charts can make you feel alone. I lost again. Oh, sad. Okay, this was a setup. Oof. Would have literally just tagged him, but it was definitely a B setup. Only had 2 confluences, my fair value gap and order block. I must say the B setups have been working better than the A's recently, which is weird. Maybe I need to... No? Don't go jumping around just because of a losing situation. Rashan, it's me. I don't know why. I am, but I do not know why. You honestly need to start using 4 hours and 15 minutes. Ian, I do. I do use them. New York low. Down, down, down. Ooh, nice and Bob. Is it going back to NWOG? Oh, it is too. Huh. It appears to be going back to the new weekly opening gap. What is it looking like here? No, looks like trash on the 5 minute. And looks yucky on the 15 minute, so that didn't help me at all. Just confirmation that it's bearish. That's about it. Reversal zone. Hey Hazel, what's up? How you doing? Captain here. Relative equal lows further down here. Could be going into the relative equal lows. And a little bit of a cluster here, but that tends to happen around Bob levels anyways. So got some relative equal lows happening at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All gaps must be filled. Hazel, how old are you? Sorry, I wanted to check something, but I could not see it. Fine. Whee! Was a decent rejection off of there. Even on the 5 minute, that's not ideal. We'd like to see it go a little bit lower down to those relative equal lows. Let's see, it's going quick up. Could want to start popping back up now though, let's see. Hey Tyler, how did I learn how to trade? From this amazing community actually. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. So I was just saying you should be careful of my best on route to you in the chat. Perfect and predictable move. Check, you don't think we're done. If the low gap has been filled, it may be buy time. John, it hasn't filled yet, and I agree, Muddy. 1, 2, 3 is a point of interest. Oh, it's a pity. This was a... Okay. This was a good setup. Let's see if it goes all the way down. But yes, 1, 2, 3, I agree, is a point of interest. Roshan, do you have 2 accounts? Seriously, what's going on with the Wi-Fi? Like... Sorry guys, I have absolutely no clue what's going on with the Wi-Fi today. Mag 7 is selling except for Microsoft. Oh, interesting. I learned that about precious metals trading on the gap filling. So specifically the precious metals, John? So I guess investors don't like the AI play, which is weird. Check. Internet, actually that's a valid point. Let's do... let's check my ping. It is jumping, but it's not the worst. There we go. It is a bit jumpy. So random, though. Gonna have to eventually just get a cable. And can you check the 4-hour quickly? Sure. Hasn't quite tapped back into here. What's that, 108 level? Has tapped into a bit of an inverse fair value gap though. Ah. So it did, it just took out these, well, this hectic amount of freaking buy side liquidity and just dumped. For businessmen. The internet speed. So it keeps jumping. It goes like 14 to 120 to 26 to 111. That's why I'm saying it's really frustrating. Which trading strategy do I use? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. How's that? Better? Let's see, until it fills the gaps. Oh my goodness. I feel like I need to go reset my router. Router. Okie dokie. Router. Ian, enter short. It doesn't work that way. Gotta just start us every few minutes first. Mark out, change your character on the floor. Be really careful. All tech is dropping and Bitcoin. And Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin still dropping? I think that's wild. That would have been my entry for a sell. Let's see if we now get anything else here back down into new weekly opening gap or not. Yeah, thanks, Dom. The chaos. So much chaos. With the drop, I'm expecting a W pattern or dead cat. John? I'm sorry, what? Sorry, what? I know what the W pattern is, but what's a dead cat bounce? Huh? That is the first time I've ever heard that. It was Bitcoin went down to 62 and now. Seriously, John, seriously, what is that? Yeah, Muddy. I don't know what exactly is going on, but it sounds dramatic. Yeah. I'm too old for this drama, guys. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, it's fine. No, it's a real term. Okay, but what does it mean? Oh, is that what it means? It's a fake out? Or are you saying this is a fake out? So I'm genuinely stuck on whatever the heck a dead cat bounces. It means a bounce that has no chance of going up. Oh, what? Who decided to call it that? Whoa. Nice. Okay, if it does come back now, I will be keen on this. If being the keyword, if it retests here, I'm so keen. This is A+ right here. Fine. Okay. Let's see. Still dropping down. Little tap into this little tap. Solid tap into that fair value gap. I would like to see it go further down to Bob level. We got another first presented sitting down there. London low and NWAG is a really strong magnet currently. I don't think it's gonna go that far back up, but if it does, awesome sauce. It might just be doing what? Dead cat? Seriously, where does that come from? Stop loss and advance with no chance of going. So Bitcoin went up correctly. A dead cat bounce is a low hitting and retracing back up and then down. So isn't it just a retrace? A sell side retrace? And I see that playing out. Quick trade usually. True. No trade zone. Hey! Ubuntu, what's up? Mega Ubuntu guy. How you doing? No, correct idea, just didn't come back up. If it had popped back up, would have been accurate, but now it's tapped into the new weekly opening gap, so that is what it is. Okay, back into the new weekly opening gap. I think it's aiming for London low. It's coming for all of this. Wow. I don't even think I can get in on this. Shoot, I should have gotten in there, but it wasn't ideal. We're in a silver bullet zone now. It may drop further before reversal. If it dies, it dies. I already bought 20k worth of Bitcoin. Okay, completely filled NWAG. Completely. Let's check 5-minute quickly. Here's the London low. There's a lot of support in this area. Okay, let's see how it reacts off of here. 15 quickly. Yep, London low taken. Wow. I won't even actually be able to take a trade. It's now run away. And Asia low taken. Just wow, I'm so freaking sick and tired of seeing little crosses everywhere. So much sell side. So much sell side. Did it take out this one as well? Yeah, all of those relative equal lows taken. I wonder if it's going to push a tiny bit extra to this bob level. Maybe not. That feels like it's pushing it a little bit. Not a chance in heck I can take this. I don't even think I could take this with one contract. Any bounce, sell it. It'll go through it like butter. Where are you? I'm gonna ban you instantly. You're really irritating. Where you at, bud? Seriously, where you at? I'm gonna ban you. You're so irritating. Anyways. If it drops another 20 points, add sells. Do ICT use gold fib? No idea, DJ. I don't think so. Let's watch, I'm not wrong. Hey, Zedmarks, what's up? Next up, 24800. Like 800, 800, like down here, 800? This is so overextended. Told you, Bob to Bob. Bob to Bob. It's kind of looking like a no trade day for me, hey? Brother Bear, where are you at? Why can I not find you? Go to the 1 minute, it tells more. I'm on the 1 minute. Tommy G. This is the 1 minute. Oh, did you just K me? Potassium to you too. Rude. Wow. Just... Bob to Bob, let's see how it rejects off of here. I can't even enter on this, it's completely overextended. I thought you said 5, sorry, that's, oh, sorry. Can I see the chart? Ta-da! Well, Z-Mog, sorry. I'm being so sassy, it's been a long day. I sincerely apologize if I'm a little bit rude or a little bit off, I'm so sorry. But anyways, Z-Mogs, what do you want to see? Oh, you should say, you know, dead cat bounce falls from a very high. It's basically just as it's falling and then recovering fast. Oh. Buddy, that sounds terrible. I see now pull back. Let's see. Where are you? No one else can see him, right? If no, then we're good. Then I don't care. You all good? Sorry, Tommy. It has been a very, very, very long day. The mighty sausage or whatever the heck. But as long as you can't see him, then it's fine. 4 levels got pushed. I know, Bob. I watched it going, what the heck, man. Bob, did you get any? A girl, since you was just trading MQ, might as well ride the train, bleed to the downside. Did you? No. Rashania, what's the serious question? And let's go, that was your entry. How was that my entry? That was not my entry. Hello from Indonesia. What's up, Edward? Edward Patrick. Oh, now you're having too much fun. Got it. It's been a long month. Oh, Tommy, it's just been a long day. A long month as well, but a long day. My friend's now in the hospital. Or who knows... Well, I have a sneaky suspicion I know what, but yeah. This sounds bad. Who's Gorlock? Is this a.k.a. USD? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Trying its survival mode. It's either eat or be eaten. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. John, oh no? What's oh no? Just all of this? Yeah, I feel like oh no is pretty valid, but that's okay. Cheers, mugs. Have a good day. Okay, where's the full range? This would be there by the new weekly opening gap. Like where the stop loss for that would be though. I mean, this has to freaking go if it's gonna go. Check time for beer, nice. Your friend in the hospital in the chat too. Oh, chat, it's fine. It is what it is. We come back to Bob level up. You're done for the week, Muddy. Damn, look at you go. I want to look down. I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Are you saying these New York lows? Oh, and those equal lows that I was so keen on the other day. Do you think it's going all the way down? That is insane. No ways. You guys don't think it's going all the way down there? That feels crazy. Tap back into this 15-minute and. Oh. That little itty bitty bird presented over here. I wonder if it still has any standing. Probably not. Number of trades I take in a day. SKD, I think it depends on the day. But that's getting... It's going down, it's going to be a shock. Tommy G, you think it's still going down? Oh, come on, guys. You can't fault me for that sense here, but that was pretty funny, though. Jordy, are you here? Message these guys. It's crazy. The market has not been so good lately. Not really, but it's okay. Megaboon, what? You think it's going back up to 25? Is that what you think it's gonna do? If you took this trade when market opened, you made $3,000. Well, see, I wouldn't be able to do that because I have a consistency rule. Shoot. Potentially back to NWOG. Let's see how this looks here. Have that set up like that. This now looks like that. Let's not do anything rash. Let's wait for confirmations of if it's going to have a little bit of a retest before continuation back down. Do you think this is going to retest at all? Let's maybe start with that. Yep, down we go. Sorry I'm being so quiet today, guys. I will improve tomorrow. I'm watching to see if this is actually going to give me an entry at all today. I mean, it's completely overextended. I feel like maybe it's too late. Let's see. Nah. Hey Mike, what's up? This is not close to being done, really? Mike, how you doing, bud? Lisa, what's up? You stay around. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, I'm hearing thunderstorms at the same time I was hearing you. Shelly, where's Shelly? We made a killing. Nice, Swan. What's up, guys? Whoop whoop. I'm really proud of you. Oh, thanks, Maddie. It's a double whoop whoop. Nice. Pass this torch. Oh gosh. That's awesome. Okay. Seriously guys, whoop whoop to anyone who got in on the short. Seriously well done. Well, I know I was driving. I was driving when you called. It's yeah, it's been a day. You want some paper with that? Nice. And I came to be rude and be like, oi. I'm glad, guys. I'm glad. I'm really proud of you. Well done for catching it. I'm not gonna lie. I might call this early. Go see what's happening. Go see my friend in the hospital. Let's see. I'm giving this 15 minutes for it to decide if it's going to give me an entry or not, and we can then go from there. Cheers, Maddie. Have a goodie. OTT, so NQ keeps dumping. Yeah, OTT, I'm assuming you didn't get a trade, or did you? I guess I theoretically had one missed trade here. That's okay though, and then it just ran away. Thanks, Maddie. How could anyone catch this? Is beyond me. Ask Jordy. Jordy and Juan caught this. I heard a good strategy. The 3-month, anything over is bullish, under is bearish, and identify a trend, and then wait for reversal. What? Okay, but what time frame do you trade on, Mike? VP. The volume profile. We go to zone 0.5. So, Dom, you think this is going back up to not VWAP, to the new weekly opening gap? I mean, possibly. Let's see. It's taken such a massive dump already. Why not? Hey Gok, what's up? I'll stop it at 250. It's now just consolidating slightly. Let's see if it does decide it wants to go back up to the 50% English 50% zone of this hectic drop. I'm not sure though. I did learn recently that some viewers are very toxic and try to steal information. Yep. Or persuade you to lose money in the market. Don't listen to those fools who think my ad. Don't lose your money. Wait, they try and persuade you to lose money? Why would they do that, John? TP at 24800. Okay. Insanity pace. It may drop more. And clearly have a look at this. At what? This whole drop down? The basis of the evaluation is the 3-month average identity trend that wait for large moves and target it on the reversal. Okay, but Mike, again, which time frame? So this sounds more like a swing trade. Maybe not even a swing trade. Maybe more of a. Okay, no, maybe let's stick with swing trade. Hey, Blends and Finesse, what's up? How you doing? Hello, don't be disheartened. It's good to stick to your rules, but you need to review your entry setup. You missed 2 good entries in that run. I missed 1 good entry. Well, okay, according to my setup. Hello? No, I'll give you that. According to mine, I did miss this setup. This actually would have been a goodie. Check there. would have wicked in quite nicely, but that's okay. Let's see how it reacts off of this bob level here. Seriously, on days like this, I just need to say, screw it and just start trading the bob levels. Honestly, when I saw this wick here... Actually, when I saw this wick here, I was like, ah, bob to bob. Did retest it one last time before going back down to bob level, but that's okay. This massive engulfing instantly, I was like, bob, I did want to try and get an entry in here. If it had come to retest further up, I would have been golden, but it did not. So that's fine. Interesting. Yes, that's what we're doing. Swing and scalping. The strategy is for day trading. Seriously? Okay, Mike. That's interesting. Depends on who it is. The conglomerate. So, I mean, John, you saw... Shame. I felt a little bit bad. But, you know, it's fine. I must say, as I'm sure you guys know, it's not obviously super easy to trade live because there's a lot of different opinions and stuff coming at you. But the one thing that normally drives me crazy that I do want to sometimes call people out on is if they say, buy now, but they're not explaining why. Like, what are you seeing? What confirmation? You know, just buy now and trust me. I'm like, it's like saying, come hop in my van. I won't kidnap you. Trust me. That's a terrible example, but you know what I mean. So I felt a little bit bad because I was a little bit sassy earlier during London because someone said it was right by this trade here. Actually, I am gonna watch this in the corner of my eye. It was right by this trade here that I liked for a sell. They said it's buy time, and I was like, I like sells. Anyways, they tend to be a person that loves to say "told you so." I was a little bit sassy when it hit their stop loss. I was like, is it? Sorry, but yes, that it was a little bit sassy of me. I felt bad afterwards. Now for a real question. Take the payout or milk this account for what it's worth. Ninja, I can't believe you qualified for a payout. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. The trader got rich by being scared. Look it up. Mega Bunty guy? Okay. I'll put a stop TP at signal and internal liquidity got swept. But I have candy. My lord, that get in the van. I'm so sorry. Where's Wally? What's up? Damn. Bob came and put his foot down. What a time to be alive. But at the end of the day, you gotta trust yourself, don't rely on the chat. You know, doing it, straightening your own thing that works for you. No, true, Muddy. Like I said, where that particular person said buy, I was like, oh, but I like the sell. And the sell would have worked out. So it does, I mean, like everyone's been saying, right? It's just, it's always different for different people. Okay. Let's see, going back up to the 0.5 level, do you think it's gonna retest this? Would I even want to take this if it retested it? Not really. What does this look like on the 5-minute? I feel like that's kind of enough setup. I'm going about it. This look like for potential. Ugh, no, okay, I don't like where the entry points at for that. Never mind. Entry on that range is yucky. I don't like the entry there. Entry closer to bob level for a potential long would actually be better. Like if it retests here and rejected back up, I would be keen. Good work off of the bob level. Yeah. Days like this, I wish I was a bit more brave with just marketing in and things with these levels. Maybe one day I'll become brave with it. The problem with me and marketing in is that the emotions get involved. It's much, I don't want to say easier. Easier is the incorrect word. It's much better for me emotionally to have a limit that I can set and like hands off. The second I have to like click that buy or sell, it becomes a bit of a problem. So trust your setup, but review your entry. Answer. I don't. We'll put someone into a shot and go short now. My rules trump any advice I do not understand. Hello, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, the 3 minutes. Cypher bearish or bullish. J-rate took first trade short, exit, now on a long at I'm done for the day now. J-Ray, wow, nice. So Pillow, how would you have the entry out of curiosity, right? So you're saying trust the setup, but review the entry. So I'm asking out of curiosity because it's always nice to see how more experienced traders would rather have it. How would you rather have the entry? Like I said, for this one, if it had retested this bob level, I actually wouldn't have hated it for an entry for a long there. This feels just too low down. So telling you to do their strategies in trading, for them to say, I told you so, speaks more about how insecure they are. Now wrong you are. Nice. So it was a perfect 6.8 fib rejection. Respect the TA. If you ask for help, you should ignore chat or unless you're interested. True. I don't agree with the entry review. Okay, Hammer, listening. If I see something, I'll let you know. Some chat viewers are ridiculous. I wonder if some people... Sorry, this is becoming a bit of like a debate. Sorry, guys. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna get anything with this particular price action today. It just consolidated throughout London and ran away from me now. Like I said, unfortunately, this would have been a good setup. I missed it. It is what it is. Let's now watch and see. Oh, so what I was saying is, do you think some people want to see people lose? I can't wrap my mind around that. Like, I know that sounds very naive of me, and I know some people are just terrible, but why? These levels get hit every single trading day during the first hour of the New York session, every single day. Oh, nice, J-Ray. Okay, how long have you been trading for? What it is, can we buy a pink Lambo now? Dad, we're going into pink Lambo, so it's no longer a pink Bugatti, it's now a pink... What's more expensive, a Lambo or Bugatti? Sorry, I don't know anything about cars, so I'm relying on you guys. Okay, thanks, Hammer. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. It's chat really to blame, yeah? You're still making money. God health? What? There's no blame going on, it's just curiosity. Mine will poop zone 0.5. J-rate 5 years. Awesome. Sorry, this is, I'm not grilling you. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. It's just I tend to ask people this question quite often. So you've been trading now for 5 years. How long did it take you to become profitable? And okay, I see your, well, I kind of see your strategy. So you trade off the 1 4 hour structure and use tick charts to refine entry, but what strategy do you use? Experience makes you better. Pillar for me. If my pullback sweeps internal liquidity into the 50% area and then goes back into trend. Okay, but Pillow, do you mark it in? I am. Also the rejection, you can even, Bob, I'm not sure if you heard me earlier, this rejection here and this rejection off of here, I was like, oh, this is going bob to bob. And it did, it went perfectly bob to bob. Even at this hectic doji over here, I was like, I think, but it was this rejection of the bob level here that like sold me. I was like, this is going bob to bob straight away. This engulfing was just insane, actually. I would have loved to see it come and retest back into this fair value gap before it continued back down, but it's okay. Hasn't quite tapped into the 0.5 yet. Let's see, do we still think it's going that far back up? I don't even know if it's going to go this far back down into this level. 1, 2, John, go get him. Pat on Fluffy. I have 2 special strategies. We talk next time. No, DJ, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So basically, Pillow sounds like you're a trend continuation trader. You wait for the 50 to reject to go even further, but mine only takes a small piece of the trend. 2 different ideas behind the TP. Interesting. Hindsight is 2020 when it comes to randos saying I shoulda, coulda, woulda. I look for swings, reverses, supply and demand. I trade the overnight. Wait, okay, let me read that again slowly. I look for swings and reverse of supply and demand. I trade the overnight, but that's more scalping unless at higher time frame levels. Then I'm looking to position for a longer hold. Okay. So crazy that you trade the overnight, but hey, Chris, no, I didn't. Do you make money trading with a prop account? You can, yeah. You can, yeah. You go prop, once you pass your eval, then you have funded accounts, like I do now. This is my first funded. Then you have a goal, I guess, and once you reach that target, maybe target is better. Like, you have to reach 6%. So mine is 6% first, and then it's 5%, then 4%. Once I reach the 6%, which would be 53, I know I'm down to 49.6, it's fine. But once I reach 53, I can take my first payout. Then yeah, you start making money. Gentleman's Relish, did I take the long? No entry for me. Thanks, Muddy. Okay, tapped into the 0.5 level of this range. Okay. Okie dokie. But I'm gonna go headbutt the pillow. Start in 3 hours. Cheers, Muddy. Thank you. Thanks for hopping on. Oh yeah, no, pillow. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, these last 3 days have also been a little bit of I need to regain my confidence a little bit. I acknowledge that. I acknowledge that. You are correct. There were 3 really good trades, and all 3 of them I said, oh, I really like this, and I didn't take them. So that is on me. I'm not even going to make excuses for that. There were hesitations. I should have theoretically taken them. I'm kind of seeing them as paper trading, getting my confidence back up, because my confidence did take a knock. Like I said, I acknowledge that. I acknowledge that, Pillow. You are not wrong at all. 100%. I'm agreeing with you. Check new entry point. Possible W? Interesting. You think so, John? I don't think it was hesitation, so you place your entry list and thought it could have been better placed. Confidence illusion for beginners. There's confidence, then there's knowing. No, thanks, Hammer. You're so sweet. We did not hit 24800 yet. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? Take her some tea cake. Muddy. Oh gosh. I don't know if that'll help, but yeah. Have a better playbook. Damn, pretty solid rejection off of this 0.5 level. Trading to wait for confirmation. If it fits your parameters and the world turns, how you think, then go for it. That's valid. That's valid. Okay. Worst case is that with one MNQ you'll take a $200 loss. No, that's valid. Ready to wait for confirmation if it's solid rejection off of this 50% 50% zone. Your playbook is complicated. We rush forward, then backwards, then we attack. Is playbook the right thing to be calling this right now? Thanks, Pillow. You're very sweet. Market to find who you are. If you overreact or you stay in calm. Easy. Yeah. I like that. And staying calm is the part. I have an idea. Well, to be fair, like I said, I drew this range. I couldn't even take it for one. I think even one trade is more than I could actually risk. So, meh. you know what I'm thinking I'm gonna do starting tomorrow? Maybe, no, starting tomorrow. I'm not gonna wait another day. It's what I did a while ago and it actually worked quite well. I think I need to start doing that. Every A+ setup, take it. Don't overthink too much. And you have to consistently take 10 every A+ setup. Do you really miss if the... No, see, this is the overthinking part. And the point is to stop the overthinking, just take it. No emotions, no nothing, just take it. Aw, Galaxy Trader. What else you gotta call? I don't know, playbook just sounds weird. This is a good short entry. Check, yeah, this is where I would look like so. That was the trade I'd set up. No? What am I doing? That's wrong. You mother fluffer. There we go. Check, not bad, eh? Watch the 6912 level on ES. See, may go bunch of you now think it's up from here. Interesting. Don't do it, it looks like FOMO. That should be a correct trade. You're supposed to build, tweak, reevaluate your strat 20 trades, Ninja? You say 20 trades? Huh, I normally do like 10. Why 20? Yeah, now price actions slow down a bit for me. I would wait for IBOs to short. Am I going to enter even if it's small? I don't even think I could enter with one right now. Don't like that. Would have preferred to see it go. Let's see. I guess I could have entered with one contract. You just copied 5 evals and you lost them. I don't know what happened, Galaxy. Can you help me buy an ETF name below? Is the size too big? A little bit too big. There's no confirmation now. Stay out of this consolidation. That's the thing. It feels like it went a little bit overextended and now here we are. So, J-Ray... I'm better at that. Okay. I'm pretty good at that. People actually sometimes yell at me because sometimes it gets like a tick away from my TP and I don't close the trade. Oh my gosh, do I get yelled at for that? Anyways, I'm not bad at that. I need to maybe work on... There's a bit of a debate going on with regards to mitigating loss. So what I would normally do, let's say for example, with this trade. Tagged in at the 0.5%, goes back down. When it reaches 1-to-1, what I would normally do is mitigate risk by half. So this is where I sometimes get yelled at. Because some people say, you know, you were willing to risk that, so let it play out. Hands off until it plays out. And, you know, others say risk management is a thing. So when it reaches that level, reducing the risk by half is also valid. So this is a little bit of a debate area. I don't yell, I just speak in caps. Same as I'm not drunk, I'm just speaking in cursive. Okay. My crab depends on topping this also. You bring back me about 60, 70 into profit. You buy red candles to get long, and you sell into green candles to get short. Yeah, Jerry, I mean, that's what I do. Market auction theory, right? Litigation is definitely not a bad thing. It's just when you should or shouldn't use it, I guess. And remember, if it kicks you, there's always another trade another day, but you did not lose. You're correct. Sorry, guys. I promise I'm actually not upset about the trading today. I know I look upset. I'm not upset about the trading. I'm not upset about anything to do with that today. It's just been a very long day. It has nothing to do with the trading. I think emotions maybe are just a little bit too high, but I'm actually pretty happy. Is happy the right word? No, I'm pretty actually happy with the trading. Like I said, London session, I did miss 2 trades, but it was a bit of a confidence boost. Same with this. Maybe it just takes a day to reevaluate and then go, okay, now we're ready to start again tomorrow when the head's clear and ready to go. You'll see the M and W entry patterns easier. I'm so bad at the M and W patterns, Jerry. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just doing. Gonna chop for a bit and then hit the upside. Kotan, you think so? What gives you that idea? Out of curiosity, like respectfully, sorry. I know I have a bit of an attitude when I'm talking today, but it's not. Oh, it's not. Has nothing to do with you, I promise. I'm not meaning to be tooty. Bob, it was quite... just missed the level there, but it was quite a decent wick off of it. It's barcode mode. Now this is solid barcode right now. I'm curious about something. Let's see. If it breaks above, I want to see, like, not solidly breaks, if it just kind of pops above, I want to see if it then becomes actually a solid short. And if it breaks a little bit below, I want to see if it becomes a solid long. Such a strong move down, be patient and look for bears to try and retest the low, then look for exhaustion for a long entry. And vice versa. If liquidity created on shelf now, we'll consolidate for a bit, then it will shoot off. Sorry, I just realized this is probably the most quiet I've ever been during a stream. Is it weird for you guys? Or are you enjoying it? Do you enjoy it when I'm like when I shut up? Doesn't happen often, but do you enjoy it when I shut up? Essentially a bear trap. Let's see if this manages to break above. Lisa, I'll be watching along. Want to try trading as well. I do investments currently, like buying shares. I personally think trading is more scary. Lisa, do you know what's so funny? I think investing is terrifying. Okay. Whoa. Good break above there. So now I want to see if it comes back in. Is it going to actually start going back down now? Not quite enough rejection off of there. Okay, sweetie. I think I'll start dropping again on London close. Let's see. Good little tick above. I know investing is easier, but it scares me more. I don't know, I think it's the lack of control, if that makes sense. I don't know. I think that's what scares me about investing. Hey Alex, how you doing? Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Slowly pushing up. Level 2 data showing sellers are absorbing. Yeah, that's fair. See, so I think that's what scares me. Like, theoretically, you're correct. Theoretically, investing should be easier. Because once you've done your research and stuff, you just put it in and leave it alone. But it's the lack of control. And you're gonna just have to... I don't know. Yeah, there's no control over when and where and mitigate. Yeah. Maybe that's a good thing, but yeah. Investing is day trading on a yearly chart. Yeah, J-Ray! I like that. I like that a lot. Yes, sir, Vala. I'll go have a look. This is manipulation. Wait. Hey, Jonathan Crowley, what's up? How you doing? But long plays, our silver play took 8 years. 8 years, sure. Overthinking is the death of a day trader. Mike, you're not wrong. I'm still quite keen on shorts. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see, but I'm still quite keen on shorts. Give me a second. Sorry, I did mute myself. I apologize. Sorry, guys. In sign language. What just happened? Oh, Kotang, in case I'm wrong about my view. Shout out to Kotang for the dono, by the way. Sorry about that. But sorry, what I was saying is I'm gonna call it just because clearly my mind's not on this. My mind is too busy actually focused on my friend that's in hospital right now, which is not ideal. You want to actually be present when you're trading. You don't want to be thinking about everything else that actually has to do with emotions, right? Emotions are not part of this. So I'm gonna call it a little bit early. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm gonna be out. I'll be back tomorrow. Sorry for a bit of a meh stream. I'll be back tomorrow. My personality would have been found by then. Hopefully. Hopefully my personality's back. But yeah, I love you guys. I'm going to keep this up out of curiosity, and then I'll see when I come back, well, tomorrow for me, later for some of you, if this is a yay or a nay or how it goes. But yeah, I love you guys madly. Thanks for joining. Sorry I was a bit meh today. I'll be better tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a goodie. I'm really keen for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be great. No more overthinking, just execution. Yes, I love it. So join tomorrow to see, one, my personality coming back, and two, the execution of trades. No more overthinking. I love it. I love you guys madly. Enjoy. Good luck. Trade safe in this. See you tomorrow.